I am Jishan. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show a jujubis plant. So this is a jujubis plant. We can plant it in a pot also. When I bought it, it was just like this 2 feet long, and see now it is so much big. For that we have to bring some manure. We should make the manure just like the peel of fruits and vegetable. If you want to give, we have to keep it in a pot for 1 or 2 days. Let it be rotten. Then we have to give it. So the plant will get more food, and water it every day 2 times. So here is some flower. This plant. This is the fruit, and these are some fruit becoming from flower. And if there is insect in your tree, don't be scared, let it be, because it helps in pollination. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment and share and subscribe. So you're also getting motivation for making this video. Bye guys, meet you in the next video. For that time, be well and plant more trees. That more pollution is nature not done. Goodbye.